Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to solve the equation x over 3 plus 5 over x is equal to 8 over 3. First, we get the least common denominator. We have 3x, then we divide 3x by the first denominator and multiply it by x. This will cancel, so that x and x is x squared, then plus. Then we do the same. We have 3x divided by the second denominator times the second numerator. We have x and x will cancel, and we have 3 times 5 is 15. Put it here. Then we copy the right hand side of the equation. Now from here we cross multiply. We multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 8. So we have 3 times x squared plus 15 is equal to 8 times 3x. So we multiply 3 by x squared. We have 3x squared, then 3 by 15 we have 45 is equal to 8 times 3x is 24x. Then from here we bring all the terms to one side of the equation. We have 3x squared minus 24x, we bring it to the other side, then we copy 45, then is equal to 0. Now, we can reduce the equation by dividing through by 3. So we have 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared, then minus 24x divided by 3 is 8x, then we have 45 divided by 3 is positive 15, then is equal to 0. Now, since this is a quadratic equation, we can factor this. We write the factors of the leading term and put them here. Then the factors of the third term, we have 5 and 3. Then now, since the sign of the middle term is negative, we might as well put here negative and here another negative sign, so that the factored form of x squared minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now, from here, we equate both factors to 0. We have x minus 5 is 0, x minus 3 is also 0. Then from here, we can have x is equal to 5, and from x minus 3 is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 3. In other words, the values of x are 5 and 3. So we verify whether this satisfies the equation. We try x is equal to 5. We substitute this in the original equation. We have x over 3 plus 5x 5 over x is equal to 8 over 3. So when x is 5, we have 5 over 3 plus 5 over 5 is equal to 8 over 3. We know that 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So we have 5 over 3 plus 1 is equal to 8 over 3. Now, since we have the denominator of 3, we might as well express 1 as 3 over 3. So we write 5 over 3 plus 3 over 3 is equal to 8 over 3. So we know that 5 plus 3 is 8, and we just copy the common denominator 3. So we have here the left-hand side. The left-hand side is actually the same with the right-hand side. So we can say x is equal to 5 is verified. Now we try x is equal to 3. So we do the same. We substitute in the original equation. We have 3 over 3 plus 5 over 3 is this equal to 8 over 3. Now since we have like fractions, we just add the numerator. We have 8, then we copy the denominator 3 is equal to 8 over 3. So there, the equation is verified. Therefore, we can say the solutions of the equation x over 3 plus 5 over x is equal to 8 over 3 are 5 and 3. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.